Christchurch right now. We're at Rowley Avenue School, visiting the local community. About to go in and check out the youths and hang out, share some music and some experiences of our journey. So let's go check it out. Though the time has moved on, we still be strong. You know what I'm saying? So I still keep it good with the streets. I still keep it good with my peace. Even though the time has moved on, we still be strong. You know what I'm saying? I'll sit over the metronome, and with the brand new flow to smash up your radio and keep raising the standards.
My name's Shogun. You can call me Uncle Shogun, you know what I mean? I was blessed with both worlds. I got Māori Samoan blood. Been doing music about 15 years, writing rhymes. And yeah, it's brought me here, down at good old Christchurch. So I'm happy to be here.
My name's Ellison. I'm an instrumentalist from the start. You know, I've been doing it for about 10 years. I'm an MC, I'm a producer, I love to be a DJ. Uncle Kylan's Tokelau, and then you know, European cultures. I kind of got on with the brothers last minute. I'm not even officially, legally a part of it, but I'm here. I play bass for the crew. And yeah, I'm Edison.
Kids. My name's Tommy. Samoan, Tokelau, Kukang. From a little town called Porirua. Anyone know where Porirua is?
Yes, planning.
Anyone from Porirua? We're everywhere. Nah, it's good to be here, to see everyone's beautiful faces. Yeah, we're just gonna share with you our love for our music, and hopefully it will resonate with you guys. And
hey guys, my name is Paulus. I'm half Samoan, half Irish. I DJ and MC. I just love music all around, and it's just pretty awesome to be a part. Because we're all from different groups in Wellington, and we've all pretty much seen each other throughout the scene. And then sort of the last 3 years we've actually gotten together and sort of like, make music with Raw and Peace.
Kia ora school, my name is Perceive or Pera. I'm Māori and Scottish from an even smaller town up north called Otaki, which is just about an hour north of Wellington or Porirua. I've been doing music for probably about 10 years, I'd say. And like Raw was saying, you know, it's, you actually can make a living out of doing what you love, and I was always here to do that. I'm sort of different in that I just do it because I like doing it, and that's okay too. You know, if you like it, you want to make a living out of it, you can do that. If you like doing it and you want to do it in your weekends because you love it, then you can do that as well. That's the cool thing about Aotearoa. You know, we're small enough to just do what we love. And yeah, I mean, it's the thing I love about the crew is we do all have fun. We all have lots of laughs because we all get a chance to hang out and do what we love doing.
Hello guys, my name's Cooper, my DJ name's DJ Gouda. I'm half Scottish and half Māori, and yeah, It's probably my second time in Christchurch, so it's really good to be here. I do a bit of DJing with the boys and just spin for their sets when they rap on stage, so you guys can check it out shortly.
Hey guys, my name is Jesse. Stage name is J10, so it's J, a 1 and a 0. When I was your age, I used to watch a lot of TV. Back then it was called MTV, and they used to play music videos. But MTV now, they play reality shows and stuff. But back then I used to watch guys like Michael Jackson. I don't know if you guys know. Today you guys might see Chris Brown on the screen. But when I was little, I had Michael Jackson, Usher, and all those dudes. I used to video record it and just watch it over and over. So I thought to myself, man, one day I could try it and be like that. And I'm blessed to share that journey with these fellas here. So yeah, that's me.
My name is Lance. I'm Māori Samoan from Tawa. It's a little town near Porero. And I'm the main producer, I guess, sort of. There's another one here for the label, and I help make these guys' songs come to life, sort of. So yeah, that's me.
Kia ora, my name is Tasu. I'm from Whangarei, Northfield. I'm Māori. Just make beats and write rhymes, and thanks for having us here.
So the first scratch that most people do is called a baby scratch. So it's like the very first baby steps, you know. So that's just moving the record forward. So you've got to learn timing to go back and forth in time with the music. And then you've got to see him using the crossfaders to cut the sound on and off. So it takes a lot of time to practice. There's another scratch after that. It's called a chirp. Okay, so it's meant to sound like a bird chirping. Okay. And that's turning the sound off at the same time forward. Okay. Who's seen the movie Transformers? Yeah. Well, this scratch is called a transformer scratch, and it's taking a sound and chopping it up into little pieces. So, that's a transformer scratch. You know, some of these things take a long time to learn because coordination is like playing a guitar. You've got to learn to do one thing with one hand and something else with another. So it takes a bit of time. This next one's called a crab scratch. Okay, so crab, because they have crabs walk. They walk like sideways and they walk like that. So the crab scratch is using all your fingers to chop the sound up. So, so those are little, that's one side of the tricks, like the scratching. The other side of tricks is like beat juggling. Okay? Do you want to double up So beat juggling is using the same record to extend it. So you can take one piece of the music and extend it out. And then there's a whole lot of different tricks you can do in the track. So you want to loop up the first couple of bars. So that's called looping. It's just taking one part of the song and extending it because you've got it on both sides. do some breakdowns. Okay. The next one is called breakdowns. So you can slow down the tempo of the record. So we'll just give you a demo. So the last one we'll demonstrate is a thing called beat cuts. So it's like drumming on top of the song. And it's basically filling in, you take the drum sound and you fill in between where the drums are. So the easiest way to explain it is just to show you. And you're using the faders to cut it out. That's a really quick sort of overview Is there any questions about any of the stuff? Yep. I'm not going to be talking. Oh, okay, but she's already missed it.
I'll go on. How long did it take you to actually do the whole thing and become experienced?
Probably about, well, I've been DJing since college, but I didn't really touch these till 2012. So I just spent a year at the DJ school of Raw and just went hard for a whole year and tried to upskill. But I'm still learning heaps every day. Still got a lot more to learn.
Do we have a school like yours in Christchurch, or are you the only one?
There is a school here, but it's taught quite differently from that one. It's amazing. Amazing. I think you have to be 16 to enroll in that. So.
How much did all that cost?
How much does it cost? Yeah, that's a good question. Because you can get lots of different gear. You can get a thing called a controller now. It's all in one. But DJ gear is expensive. It's so the turntable, one turntable is worth about at least $1,000. Yeah. And that mixer in between is probably about $2,500. So it's not cheap. But DJs do alright. They make a good, pretty good money. And it's part of being, like, if you're a builder, you need all the tools. So if you're a DJ, you need your equipment. So you can go anywhere and play.
When you first started, was it difficult?
Yeah, it's really difficult. Trying to get your timing right. It takes a bit of practice. It's just like everything, man. If you put a lot of time into it, you can do it.
So, who here plays instruments? Any instrument? So, definitely the more you know about music, the easier it is to pick it up.
How did you skill
How did we get on the group? With the friends, with us all friends, and There's a few guys here that have come through the school as well. But basically, we're just a whole lot of mates, and we all like music, and got together and started working on putting songs together.
After instrument, you play.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you'll have a good time, man. Because this is about rhythm. It's more about not so much like a piano, but it's more like drumming. It's rhythm based. So if you've got good timing and you can understand, like if you play an instrument and understand how to count bars, understand music, this will be, you'll pick it up really quick. Oh, this one.
Who teaches you how to play that?
Who taught me? I learned from videos and watching other people. I didn't really get any lessons, but it took a long time. How old am I? I'm 44.
But then turn on me, girl, are you ready? I'm trying to return the vibes we send. This feeling is electric. I'm ready, tell me if you feel